Simulan ko tong walang naniniwala sa paligid ko. Ano?
And now, let us ask the Lord's presence in our midst through our hymn of prayer, praise, and thanksgiving. This will be followed by the Philippine National Anthem and Muntinlupa City March, to be sung by P. Almond Choral, to be followed by the Pasay City Hymn. Paday Mary Ann, Paday Mary Ann.
O sige. Video na pala nini. Oh, ding. Congrats.